I just need to kind of find a nice good medium where I can feel it feed through. Nice big breath. Good breath. Whoa. It's those important areas that we need to address, right? Because your neck curve is pivoting here. Mm-hmm. This is the spot where we adjust, right? And we want to try and push that forward as much as possible. Your skull is too compressed and shifted to the right, so we need to shift that back in. The more consistently we put your body into a good spot, the more it'll stay that way. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was like something I've always wanted to pop. And I'm not a person who just tries to pop anything, but you stretch. You still stretch hoping you'll get relief from something. And I'm like, oh, that was part of it. Like I just had so much tightness.
So much smoother.